Okay, here's a tutorial on how to get this worksheet going here. It's really pretty simple. Kids have struggled with it, so I'm remaking the video. First of all, you start off down here with 5/7. The first thing you do is you just take and put 5 divided by 7 into your calculator. When you do that, you're going to get 0.714 and a whole bunch of numbers. The second step is to write those first 3 digits. So I wrote 0.714. Third move is you move the decimal. And that's what I did here. I'm going from a decimal to a percent. So I moved it forward 2 places, means I'm multiplying by 100. Now I have 71.4%. Now I've got a question. Is it big enough to call that 72%? Or do we just leave it at 71%? Because we're rounding to the nearest percent. It says right here, round to the nearest whole percent. So this number is a 4. 4 means no, you don't round up. So we have 71% here, 71%. Now you go up top and you find the 71%, and you're going to put the letter G there. So here's a G for 71%, and I think there's one up here too. There may be others, you can look for them. All right, the next one, 2/3. So let's put 2/3, let's put it into the calculator. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 is 0.666. We write 3 decimals deep. Now in the next step, we move it 2 times, and we have 66.6%. Now we look at it. Look at this third digit. Is that digit big enough to round up? It's a 6. Sorry, it's right here. It's a 6. So yes, this is big enough to call this 67%. We go up top, look for 67%. Here's one right here. Put the S there. Here's an S. There may be others. I'll let you find those. Let's do another one. 7/8. Okay, we put in the calculator. 7 divided by 8. And our calculator says 0.875. We write just 3 decimals. That's all there is this time. We move the decimal 2 places. We have 87.5%. We look at it. We'll look at that last digit. Is that number big enough to call this 88%? We'll look up here again. If it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it's big enough. So yes, this one can be called 88%. We're looking for 88%. We're going to put the letter V in. Can't imagine there's more than one V in these things. Help me, folks. 88%. Here it is. Stick in a V. All right, let's try one more. 23/16. Weird one. I actually don't know. 23 divided by 16 equals 1.437. We write 3 decimals again. 1.437. Okay. Move the decimal 2 places. 1, 2. Now we have 143.7%. Again, we look at that last decimal. Is there enough there to round that up? And it's a 7. Yes, there is. So this can become 144%. Do we have 144%? Going once. Going twice. Here it is. We'll put a D in there. There might be others. You can look for them. Last one, 1/13. Give me a weird fraction, but we can do it. 1 divided by 13. Here we go. Write 3 decimals deep. 0.076. Move this decimal 2 times. 1, 2. We have 7.6%. Again, look at that first decimal. The only decimal. Is that enough to round up and call this 8%? Yes. In other words, this is closer to 8% than it is 7%. We put 8% down. We go up and look for P. 8%. Where is it? 8%. Going once. Twice. I don't see it. Here it is, 8%. 8%, we're going to put a P. There might be others. I'll let you look for them. Good luck.